Welcome to our baby-led weaning recipe. Starting solid foods can be a daunting experience, and that's why First Steps playlist begins with essential introductory videos. These will guide you through the basics of BLW, including when to start, what foods to offer, and how to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for your baby. I recommend you to watch the playlist if you are new to BLW. Okay, without any delay, today's recipe is corn fritters. Fritters can be introduced to babies around 8 to 10 months of age. These fritters are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. So let's get started. For this recipe, I have taken 1 cup of cooked corn kernels. From this 1 cup, take 3 tablespoons of kernels to the mixer jar, 1 garlic bud and ½ inch of ginger. Grind it without adding water. Now, in a mixing bowl, add the kernel mix paste, the remaining kernels, ¼ cup of chopped onion, few chopped coriander leaves, ¼ cup of wheat flour. You can add a pinch of pepper powder if needed. Remember, no salt until 1. Give a rough mix. Now, add 1 flax egg. Check out the card on how to make a flax egg. If you don't have the flax egg, you can add ¼ cup of milk as an alternative, but flax egg is recommended. Mix all together until it forms a thick batter. Heat an iron pan over medium heat and add tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the pan is hot, drop spoonfuls of corn butter onto the pan, shaping them into a small fritters. Add some ghee on side, cover it with a lid and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once the fritters are cooked, transfer them to a plate. Allow the fritters to cool slightly before serving them to a little one. And there you have it, delicious corn fritters that are sure to be a hit with your loved one. They are not only tasty but also provide a good balance of nutrients. We hope you and your baby enjoy these corn fritters. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes and happy weaning. Bye bye.